maintenance, maintenance, maintenance.
Noun. 1.
Activity involved in maintaining something in good working order.
2.
Means of maintenance of a family or group.
3.
Court-ordered support paid by one spouse to another after they are separated.
4.
The act of sustaining life by food or providing a means of subsistence.
Listen and practice.
Maintenance work on government buildings. Maintenance work on government buildings. The maintenance of peace and stability in Asia. The maintenance of peace and stability in Asia. Unlike jeopardy, criminal maintenance does not necessarily involve personal profit. Unlike jeopardy, criminal maintenance does not necessarily involve personal profit.
Maintenance.